Diolch. Mae bryd y fi, mae Nghymraeg fi ddim yn ddigon dda I siarad am hir gyda chi. Does dim hyder gyda fi. I'm honoured to have been nominated as part of this exhibition to celebrate LGBT History Month. It is indeed an honour, but one tinged with some embarrassment and with some regret. The embarrassment is because I was not alone in welcoming the gay men and women of LGSM into our homes during the miners' strike of 1984-85. Alongside me were the families of the Neath, Swansea and Dulles Valley Miner Support Group, and this honour reflects on us all. The regret is because despite the strides in ending the discrimination and intolerance faced by gay people in our country in the past 30 years, there still remain pockets of prejudice and bigotry. More worrying and extreme, of course, is the intolerance towards LGBT people in Eastern Europe and the war-torn lands of the Middle East. As well as opportunity to celebrate them, today must serve as a reminder that we must remain vigilant. We must be alert to the work still to be done to ensure that we are all equal, all entitled to live our lives as we wish in peace. Let me take you back to those two seemingly disparate groups of 1984. The striking communities of the Neath, Swansea and Dulles Valleys, and lesbians and gays support the miners from London. The strike in South Wales was solid and had become a battle to feed the 24,000 miners as the summer came without resolution. Because most families were concentrated in the villages around the coalfield, there was little opportunity to raise the funds necessary to provide the weekly food parcels, simply because most families were on strike. Gay men and women were attacked by legislation, harassed by the police, vilified in the press, and liable to personal attack in the street. Gays the Word bookshop was regularly raided by police for obscene publications and threatened with closure. The advent of AIDS and the government's terrifying adverts helped the press to portray it as a gay plague. In 1987, the Conservative government introduced an amendment to the Local Government Act, Clause 28. Thatcher's Britain of 1984, then, was a particularly inhospitable place where the challenges of life were made infinitely more difficult by the type of economy Thatcher wanted, the type of person you were, and the sort of world you wanted to live in. In 2013, marriage for same-sex couples was made legal. In 2017, I welcomed the pardon extended to gay people who had been prosecuted by the state for being gay. These milestones were long overdue, but they became possible. They became possible because society had recognized the fact that one's sexuality was not a lifestyle choice or an illness, and that gay people were a part of society and not outside of it. I am pleased that we in Wales played our part in dismantling the bigotry of the state, and in our case, through the solidarity sown by LGSM during the strike.